Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video and show appreciation and gratitude for everyone that helped me get to 1,000 subscribers yesterday. As some of you may or may not be aware, in order to be monetized on YouTube or be able to receive ad revenue for your content, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. I started making videos in December of 2017, a little over a year ago, and thanks to your comments and your support and your encouragement, it helped to motivate me to continue creating content so where I could actually get to being monetized for my efforts. My grandfather died this Monday, 3 days ago, and getting this news yesterday was just kind of helped to ease the blow a little bit. And the reason why is because a little bit about who my grandfather was. He was born in southern Idaho on a farm in the middle of the Great Depression, and so throughout his life he had to learn the concept of hard work. At the age of 14, he moved out of home and went to look for work in California, which is now where all my family is today. He taught me invaluable lessons about how to never be a burden upon anyone. If there's ever a way that you can do it yourself, to go out and do something hard, even though it's hard. And typically if it is hard, that's how you know you're doing the right thing. He taught me about how important it was to have faith in Jesus Christ. He taught me how to treat my spouse, and I saw that through his example and the way he treated my grandmother. But most importantly, he was a worker. He was a hard worker, and in order to be successful in anything that you're passionate about, you have to work hard. As a way of saying thank you to you guys for getting me to this place, for this week I'll be picking one winner. Anyone who's subscribed to my channel and leaves a comment below, I'll pick a winner at the end of 7 days to receive a free pair of my state flag dress socks. My company, theStateMate.com, we make state flag dress socks for all 50 states, as well as other patriotic themed merchandise. I'll leave a code in the description so you can get this snapback hat, which will be $6 with the code, as well as any one of our state flag dress socks for $5. So for the next 7 days, I'll have that code available to all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel, and just help to motivate me to do something that was hard for me. Video editing does not come easy for me. So again, I hope that you do comment and maybe leave some stories about one of your grandparents, somebody that's meant a lot to you, and the lessons that they taught you. Please like this video, and most importantly, subscribe so you can stay up to date on my future content. I have a lot of things in the works, and I just appreciate you so much. God bless you and have a great day.